Have you seen these AI cycling POV videos flooding your feed? They are absolutely blowing up right now, hitting millions of views. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral AI cycling POV videos. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. Well, we'll be using HitPaw Edimakor. Simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video first. Head over to ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and generate prompts for your video. If you're stuck, don't worry. Just copy the prompts I've linked in the description below. Now, open HitPaw Edimakor. Go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image. Choose a model you like. I recommend Google Nano Banana 2 for this. Paste your prompt, set the resolution, aspect ratio, and the number of images you need, then hit Generate. Repeat these steps until you have a full set of cycling images ready. Now convert those images into video. Go to Image to Video, choose Kling 3.0 and paste your prompt. Set the duration. Enable Generate Audio and click Generate. That's it. You can now generate viral cycling POV videos for any scenario you can imagine. Pretty simple, right? Step 3. Export the video. Once you export your video, don't forget to publish to social media. If you share it on social media with our exclusive tags, you can even get 20 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.